It's my 44th birthday today, and very fittingly, the markets gave me a full body workout. Today kind of felt like leg day in the markets for me. Wobbly, unstable, and I had no idea if we were going to finish the set or collapse under the bar. But by the close, the market locked it out. The S&P 500 finished up 0.43%, breaking a two-day skid. Dow was the strongest, up 0.7%. Nasdaq caught a small bounce, just 0.27%, and the Russell 2000 added 0.33%. But this wasn't smooth. It was one of those sessions where every rep felt off balance. Bad form. The Fed held rates steady at 4.25 to 4.5%. No surprise there. But Powell's tone, a little shaky under the weight, you know what I mean? He said risks have increased for both sides of their mandate, inflation and employment, which translation, the Fed doesn't know which way it'll snap. So they're standing still, but ready to move fast if the knees buckle. Markets took it as slightly dovish, so yields fell, stocks bounced briefly, then came the trade headlines. Stocks hit session highs midday after reports that the Trump team may rescind some chip restrictions and stop enforcing Biden's AI export rule. That sent semis flying and sparked a short-lived rally. But the barbell started shaking again when Trump said he's not planning to roll back those 145% tariffs. Those are some heavy plates, man. So the strength faded a bit, but not enough to kill the session. Underneath the volatility, there was one clear theme. The market wants a trade de-escalation narrative, but it's not getting clean signals yet. Earnings were a mixed superset. Disney beat and raised. Entertainment and parks carried the load. Avid and Arista crushed numbers, but Arista got clipped for not raising guidance. Uber and Supermicro slipped on cautious bookings. And Google took a hit after Apple's Eddie Q said AI search may eventually replace traditional engines in Safari. That's a big knock to the ad revenue foundation. Winners today? Semis, banks, travel, credit cards. Laggards? Autos, metals, China, tech, and consumer names tied to tariffs. Bottom line, this market is still trading under tension. Powell gave patience, trade headlines gave hope, but none of it gave a firm footing. We are still mid-set, under load, and every headline's a potential spotter who might help or drop the weight. If this helped you lift through the noise, drop a like or hit a follow. I'll be back tomorrow with the next round. God bless and stay profitable.